Hi, John. After a long time.
Hi, Alice. Yeah, I think we have never met after leaving the school.
Yes, of course. What do you do, John?
I work as a teacher. I teach English.
That's interesting. What are you doing here, now?
I'm waiting for a friend at the moment. He is coming here within few minutes.
Oh, that's fine. Who is the friend? Do I know him?
I think you have not met him. He is an old friend from my hometown.
All right, John. By the way, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies. How about you?
I love listening to music and going for walks. It's so relaxing.
Sounds nice. Are you going for walks today?
No, I am not. I'm going for a musical show with a friend.
Great. I like listening to music too. It's really relaxing.
Thanks, John. Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch movies on the weekends. I'm watching one tonight.
What's the movie about?
It's a comedy about a group of friends going on a road trip.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Enjoy your movie night.
Thanks, I will. By the way, do you have any favorite movies?
Yes, I do. I like romantic movies and action films.
Nice, I enjoy action movies as well. Have you seen any good ones lately?
Yes, I watched a great action movie last night. It was so exciting.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'll have to check it out.
Definitely, you'll love it. So, John, where do you live?
I live in a small apartment downtown. It's close to my work.
That's convenient. I live in the suburbs with my family.
Suburbs must be peaceful. Do you like living there?
Yes, it's quiet and there's a lot of greenery. I love it.
That sounds lovely. I prefer the city's hustle and bustle.
Everyone has their own preference, right?
Absolutely, Alice.
I am leaving now. Have a great evening.
You too, Alice. It was really nice chatting with you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.